Was Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Khatamul Anbiya for Zilli and Buruzi Nubuwat?
He's Khatamul Khulafa. He doesn't use the word Khatamul Anbiya.
No. My question is, you can say he was not. You can say he was not.
No, I never said
Or
that.
he was or he was not.
He was what?
Was
Khatamul
Mirza
Anbiya.
Ghulam Ahmad Khatamul Anbiya for
I'm
the
telling you what he
Zilli
said
and
about
Buruzi?
himself.
Wait.
I said he's Khatamul Khulafa.
Was my question not about the Khulafa? My question is, was Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Khatamul Anbiya for Zilli and Buruzi Nubuwat? This is my question.
What is Khatam? Explain Khatam.
You define as you want to define.
Last?
Yes.
You mean last? You
Yes.
mean he's the last to come?
Yes. No.
Yes.
My question, listen to the question again.
Yes.
My question is very simple. Was Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Khatamul Anbiya for the Zilli and Buruzi Nubuwat?
The Prophet himself explained it in Munna Malay, the reference that we spoke last time. Did you not get the answer?
So what is the answer?
The answer is he's Khatamul Khulafa under Munna Malay.
My question is, let me one more time. Was Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Khatamul Anbiya for Zilli and Buruzi Nubuwat?
Translate Khatamul Anbiya for the benefit of listeners. Translate Khatamul Anbiya. You're using
Last
English or
prophet.
Huh?
Last prophet.
Oh?
Last prophet.
No, we don't claim that.